In this video, we'll see how to make Tandoori Soya Chaap at home without oven. Let's get started. Here I've got 4 soya chap sticks which I'm adding to boiling water, and I'm going to boil this for 1.5 minutes approximately. You do not need to follow this step if you're using fresh soya chap or canned ones, because they are already soft and fresh. You don't need to boil them like this. Take the chap out like this and let it cool down, or you can run cold water. Then remove the sticks from inside. These come out very easily. Chop the chap into 3 to 4 pieces or as you like. So these are ready. Let's prepare the marinade. So here I've got half cup curd, dahi, it's unsweetened. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, then turmeric, garam masala, roasted cumin, 2 teaspoon mustard oil. You can use any other oil if you do not like mustard oil, but it tastes fantastic in this recipe. 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, juice from half medium sized lemon, and some salt as per taste. To get good color in tandoori recipes, use Kashmiri or Bedgi or Byadgi red chilli powder instead of using colors or artificial colors basically. Now drop in the soya chap pieces and coat the soya chap really well. Marinate this for at least 30 minutes or 1 to 2 hours in your refrigerator, not freezer. Heat your grill pan or tawa with some oil. You can also make this recipe in your oven. So preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then you can increase the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and then bake these for 15 to 20 minutes. You may need a little less or more time depending on your oven, so keep a watch if you're making this recipe in your oven. Once the chap pieces get browning like this on both the sides, you can take these out. You can serve these right away with a sprinkle of chaat masala, or you can follow the next steps. So if you want to skip this step, you may. So 2 teaspoon melted butter, some fresh chopped coriander, some cream or malai. This is malai which collects at the top of milk after you boil and cool it, and some chaat masala. Why I said you may skip this step? Because if you would like to have a healthier version, you may skip this. And if you bake these in your oven, you would not need that additional oil on your grill pan or tawa. So you can decide how you want to make it. Serve the chap with some slices of onion. You can also serve green chutney along with it. And to give smoky flavor, you can give it smoke using a piece of coal. You can check out my tandoori Maggi recipe for that. I've used that technique. It's very simple and you would get that smokiness in your tandoori soya chap. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!